Well, hello. I wanted to wish you a happy Creamsicle Day. Well, I'm going to be making something that's very creamsicle-like. I'm making a creamsicle cake. I learned about this cake from my friend Karen and her channel, In the Kitchen with Karen. She made this creamsicle bundt cake and it looked phenomenal. So I thought I needed to try making it too. So I'm gonna do it now. You need a bowl. This is a very easy dump and mix type cake. 1 box of any white cake mix. 1 box of instant vanilla pudding. 1/2 cup of sugar. 4 eggs. 1/2 cup of sour cream. 3/4 cup of thawed orange juice concentrate. 3/4 cup of oil. 1/4 cup of water and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to mix that on high speed for 2 minutes. I'm just going to pour that into a prepared bundt pan. I'm going to cook it at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. The popsicle was invented by Frank Epperson in 1905 when he was just 11 years old. Frank sold the rights to the popsicle in the 1920s to the Joe Low Company. And it was in the 1930s that the Joe Low Company introduced the creamsicle to the world. They just called it a whole new popsicle with an exciting, creamy center. The original creamsicle was an orange creamsicle. Later they introduced other flavors like raspberry and blueberry. Time for the frosting. I'm going to start with 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm using the whipped kind, but you could use some softened brick of cream cheese as well. And a tablespoon of that orange concentrate. I need about 3 cups of powdered sugar. I'll be mixing that in with a hand mixer, but I'm going to do the 3 cups about a cup at a time and then give it a mix and then add some more. Till it's a nice, thick consistency like this. Fill up the piping bag. Okay, I flipped it onto a plate. It's definitely baked. It's a little brown on the outside, but looks nice on the inside. And time to pipe on my icing. I'll just start on the top and squeeze little lines going down. Creamsicle bundt cake. Well, I wish I was great at putting frosting on. I'm not too good, but I bet it'll taste great. All right, is it like nothing bundt cake? Who knows? The moistness is terrific. The orange creamy flavor, phenomenal. It's a fun bundt cake. I'm so happy that I learned about this from my friend Karen at In the Kitchen with Karen. You'll have to check out her channel. She makes lots of good stuff. And this is a winner. What do you get when you rub 2 oranges together? Pulp friction. Happy Creamsicle Day.